I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim me. It was dark, I was over, until I kissed my lips, and you saved me. My hand, they're strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you said they were never true, all the games you played, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. When I lay with you, I could stay there and close my eyes, feel you forever, you and me, nothing is better. There's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, all the games you play, you would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned and I cried, 'cause I heard you screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. Well, I felt something die, 'cause I heard this was the last time, the last time. Sometimes I wake up by your door, heard you calling, must be waiting for you. Even now when you're already over, I can't help myself from looking for you, looking for you, looking for you. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Watch it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name. I set fire to the rain, and I threw us into the flame. Well, I heard something die,